Hello all, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to have a discussion on this United Nations Economic Social Council, which is called ECOSOC. Recently, our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji addressed in the UN summit of this ECOSOC. Let us know about this ECOSOC. United Nations Economic and Social Council has its own advance in the three dimensions of this sustainable development in the three factors such as economic, social and environment. This will have the various debates and bringing a knowledge in innovative thinking and forging consensus on the way forward and bringing efforts in achieving internationally agreed goals and objectives. This UN has been a various important responsible for organizing these conferences and summits. The UN Charter established this ECOSOC in 1945 as one among the six other organizations of the United Nations. The Economic Social Council has a various diverse organization which is being dedicated importantly to this sustainable development, which is going to give the guidance and coordination. The entities also have regional and economic commissions and functional commissions which will give various discussions between the governments and address global issues with the specialized agency program funds which will work together across the world and translate the development commitments which will change the lives of the people. The various reforms in the last decade is done in this General Assembly resolutions which has strengthened the role of this ECOSOC in identifying the various challenges through the innovation and achieving the balanced integration for these three pillars of ECOSOC in the sustainable development in economic, social and environment, which is giving a special attention for coordination and follow-ups on the UN conferences and summits. This is building a coordinating role with the UN system. The ECOSOC builds a platform and between the UN partnership with various countries in the other world. This will also offer unique global meetings which will have productive dialogues between the countries in order to make policies, parliamentarians, academicians, foundations, business, youths, and also registered NGOs. The various issues are being addressed in this ECOSOC, which is being given an annual theme, which is this sustainable development. So this ECOSOC will have an ensure attention on the various partners throughout the UN development system. This will emphasize and stress on this economic, social and environmental concerns, which will encourage more agreements and various policy decisions and actions which will link the three factors for this sustainable development. There are various economic discussion forums that are there existing in the UN ECOSOC, high-level political forums for leadership discussions, guidance and recommendations for the sustainable development. Development Cooperation Forum, which will bring the trend and progress for the cooperations. Integration segments, which will bring the economic social issues in the UN system. The Human Forum Alliance Affairs, Humanitarian Affairs that will strengthen all the coordination in the humanitarian efforts of UN. Operational activities for the development, which will provide various guidelines. Management segment, which will give various reports of the ECOSOC and building support and various UN systems and resolutions in development on the issues and consider special country or the regional concerns. Youth forums also bring the voice of the young minds, young generation in this discussion on the global policy making on the developments. Partnership Forum, which will bring collaborations among the governments, businesses, and various governmental organizations and parliamentarians. Special meetings, which will make an address on the various emerging developments and the crisis and bringing awareness, which will develop high level policies for the coordination and working together. The ECOSOC has a 54 member of the governments which are being elected in the General Assembly after the 3-year term. The seats on the councils are being allocated on the various geographical representations which are being allocated as 14 allocated to the African states, 11 to the Asian states, 6 to Eastern European states, 10 to Latin and Caribbean states, and 13 to Western European and other states. The whole world is there in this Economic Social Council as members. The various ideas what they do in this UN ECOSOC is promoting the sustainable development, managing the transition of this MDGs, the Millennium Development Goals, towards sustainable development goals, advancing policy integration, development of this cooperation forum, coordinating on the humanitarian actions, providing the coordination and insight, engaging the youths, various building partnership, raising awareness on the key issues, advising on the healthy long-term developments, working with the civil society. And recently, we had the vibrant speech of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji on addressing on the UN summit of this ECOSOC, and he has brought out the various dimensions and the various activities that has been taken place in our country. As the highlights are on the occasion of birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji on the 150th year celebration, achieving full sanitation coverage across over 6 lakhs villages. The power of technology has brought these financial inclusions through a unique identity of the bank accounts and enabling for the mobile connection for all. Housing for all programs are also being ensured to every citizen of the country. Eradicating this tuberculosis by 2025 is the onset mission. Developing countries should learn from India on the scale and have to get the success through their innovations and industrial development. Reduction of the 28 million carbon emissions annually. There is a joint fight in the current crisis of the COVID pandemic, and medical support has been extended by India towards 150 countries. India has brought a responsive awareness in various crises such as the Ebola, earthquake, cyclone with speedy and solidarity amongst the other countries. As India is fighting its pandemic with the people movement and also the efforts of government and the society. India shall play an important role in this UN agenda by bringing global harmony and improving socio-economic equality and preserving the nature. India is a home of humanity and will have the responsibility to succeed in achieving its developmental objectives towards the global goal of this UN ECOSOC, which is the sustainable development. So now, after seeing the key highlights given by our Honorable Prime Minister, it is said that India as a country bringing an important role in this ECOSOC summit as the major pandemic situation has been a, an opportunity for the Indians as well as the Indian economy which will be flourishing in the next future as all the countries coordinate and bring this sustainable development to a better place. Thank you all for listening patiently. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.